Hey guys, welcome to tutorial guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your ranked AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your ranked AI online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar of your preferred browser type in ranked.ai like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of ranked AI. You can see, or you can just simply search for ranked AI login on the Google search bar or the search tab and hit on enter. Then you can see there is the ranked AI option available at the top of the list. Click over there, and you can see both of these pages are same. One was from the Google search result and one is from the direct web address we typed in on the search bar. With that being said, in order to log into your ranked AI account, on the top right corner of the page you can spot the login button available over here where I'm hovering right now. But before that, if you have not yet signed up for ranked AI, please make sure to sign up on ranked AI because it's awesome SEO service. With that being said, you can click on the start free trial over here. There are two buttons, and if you click on either of these buttons you'll be able to sign up for ranked AI from this page. With that being said, let's sign in. From over here you'll be required to enter your email address with which you have signed up on ranked AI like this, with the domain name and your precise username, and after that enter your password with which you have signed up, and after that click on sign in to log into your ranked AI from over here. You can also retrieve your password if you have forgotten it. You can see the forgot password option available over here. If you click on this button you'll be able to retrieve your password if you have forgotten the account password of your ranked AI account. And you can also sign up for your ranked AI account from over here. If you click on sign up, you can go through the sign up procedure of ranked AI in order to create an account. With that being said, after you click on sign in, you will be logged into your ranked AI account. And guys, this is how you log into your ranked AI account online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.